ICAR, Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, Bengaluru, a pioneer institute of horticultural research, collaborated with International Corps Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics, ICRISAT, Hyderabad under the Bhu Samruddhi scheme of Government of Karnataka, with the aim of improving livelihood of people in 4 districts of Karnataka. 27 selected varieties and technologies developed by ICAR IIHR were demonstrated at Farmers Field in Chikbalapur, Bidar, Dharwad and Udupi districts through respective Krishi Vigyan Kendras. Some of these technologies were licensed to KVKs to develop them a regional hub of multiplication and dissemination. Science banks of Arka Kiran of Guava were established at all KVKs, while Science banks of Arka Kur XL of black pepper and Rambutan were established at KVK, Brahmawar. Science bank of Arka Sahan of custard apple was established at KVK, Dharwad. The production rights of Arka Mango Special, crushed tomato technology, fruit ripening chamber, Arka Microbial Consortium were given to the Krishi Vigyan Kendras for creating regional hub of multiplication and supply of these products. Arka Kiran of guava, Arka Sahan of custard apple, avocado, rambutan, dragon fruit were demonstrated at Farmer Field. The precision farming of vegetables such as Arka Rakshak tomato, Arka Harita and Arka Meghana of chili, Arka Kalyan, Arka Bhim and Arka Bindu of onion, Arka Muthu and Arka Manik of watermelon, Arka Mangala of yard-long bean and Arka Sharat of French bean variety were demonstrated along with Arka Microbial Consortium, Neem soap, Pongamia soap and Arka Vegetable Special. Similarly, mango precision farming included application of Arka Mango Special, Arka Microbial Consortium, fruit fly traps and Neem and Pongamia soap were demonstrated. In flower crops of Arka Prajwal variety of tuberose, Arka Kamini variety of China aster were demonstrated. More than 100 demonstrations of varieties and technologies of ICAR IIHR were taken up in these 4 districts, and farmers were given exposure to these varieties and technologies through on-campus and off-campus training programs, exposure visit and field days. Arka Prabhat, Mr. Praveen, young progressive farmer of Alamgiri village of Chintamani Taluk of Chikbalapur district, raised half acre of papaya, Arka Prabhat. He followed complete organic cultivation practices, including Arka Microbial Consortium. The farmer has harvested 2 quintal fruits and sold in the market at Rs 20 per kg. He is expecting first harvest of 2 to 3 tons and income of 50,000 from half acre area.
ಪಪ್ಪಾಯ ತಳಿ IIHRನಿಂದ ಅರ್ಕಾ ಪ್ರಭಾತ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ತಳಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿದೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸೂಡೋಮೋನಾಸ್, ಟ್ರೈಕೋಡರ್ಮ ಈ ಥರ ಜೈವಿಕ ಗೊಬ್ಬರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ ಕ್ರಾಪನ್ನು ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆಳೆ ಇಳುವರಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಂಚ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಡಿಮೆ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆನ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
A field day on papaya was organized in his field during January 2020, which was attended by more than 40 farmers, and he shared his experience about the technology. Mango Special. Mr. Rajkumar, a farmer from Bidar Taluk of Bidar district, used Arka Mango Special in his 4 acres of mango orchard of Kesar, Dasheri and Malika.
ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ನ ವರ್ಷನಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು 4 ಸರಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್ ನಾನು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು 30% ಇಳುವರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಕಾಯಿ ಶೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್, ಮತ್ತು ಹೂವು ಉದಿರೋದು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಕರೆಗೆ 4,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನೋ ಒಂದು 30,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಉಳಿತಾಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದರಿಂದ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ತಂದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಳುವರಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
The farmer realized very good fruit yield of 9.8 tons per acre in mango. He was very happy with the performance of Arka Mango Special in terms of better fruit size, fruit weight, yield and net returns. He has also motivated other farmers in the village and neighboring villages to spray Arka Mango Special in mango. Mr. Suresh Hulmani, a mango grower of Kogilgere village of Dharwad Taluk of Dharwad district, adopted the IIHR technologies, Arka Mango Special and fruit fly traps during 2019.
ನಮ್ಮದು 5 ಎಕರೆ 26 ಗುಂಟೆ ಹೊಲ ಇದೆ ರೀ ಸರ. ಅದ್ರಾಗ 200 ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡ ನೆಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ರೀ ಸರ. ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲಾಗಿ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ರೀ ಸರ. ಲಘು ಪೋಷಕಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಸರ. ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೂ ಹಿಡಿತಿದ್ದು ರೀ ಸರ, ಕಾಯಿ ಕಸ್ತಿರ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಸರ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಯಿ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರನ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿದೇವೆ ರೀ ಸರ. ಹೂ ನಿಂತ್ರಿ ಸರ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಯಿ ಕಚ್ಚೋ ಪ್ರಮಾಣವೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ರೀ ಸರ. ಮೊದಲಿನಕ್ಕಿಂತೂ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಚಲೋ ಅನಿಸೈತೆ ರೀ ಸರ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 10ರಿಂದ 20 kg ಕಾಯಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಡು ಬರತ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ. 10ರಿಂದ 20 kg ಪ್ರತಿ ಗಿಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಆದಾಯನೂ ನಮ್ಮದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ.
The farmer realized fruit yield of 8 tons per acre. He earned a net profit of rupees 4.6 lakhs. Tomato. Mr. Shriman is a marginal farmer of Hokrana village, Bhidar Taluk of Bhidar district. He raised 1 acre of tomato, Arka Rakshak, at his field during Rabi season 2018. To improve the yield of tomato, the recommended dosage of Arka Microbial Consortium 5 kg per acre with farmyard manure foliar application of Arka Vegetable Special at 5 grams per liter for 4 times were applied.
ಅರ್ಕ ರಕ್ಷಕ ಅದು ಇಳುವರಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ರೀ. 1 ಎಕರೆಗೆ 50-60 ಸಾವಿರ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ. 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಸನಿ ಫೈದಾ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ. ಖರ್ಚು ತೆಗೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 50-60 ಸಾವಿರ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಉಳಿಯತ್ತೆ ರೀ ಫೈದಾ ನಮಗೆ.
The farmer realized very good fruit yield, 38.48 tons per acre in tomato. The farmer told that he got additional yield of 2.5 kg per plant by use of these technologies, and he got additional profit of rupees 90,750 as compared to the local variety. Mr. Siddhalingappa Majati is a marginal farmer of Kogilgere village of Dharwad. He adopted some of the IIHR technologies, Arka Mango Special, Tuberose, Arka Prajwal, Arka Meghana of chilli, and Arka Rakshak of tomato. He raised tomato, Arka Rakshak, at his field during Kharif season 2019 and used Arka Microbial Consortium, Arka Vegetable Special, and neem soap. The farmer told that he got additional yield of 2 kg per plant by use of these technologies. He earned a higher net profit and was very satisfied. Arka Mangala. Mr. H. Babu Shetty, a progressive farmer of Kundi Kodlu Mane, Melosuru village, Kundapura Taluk of Udupi district, raised 1/4 acre of yard-long bean Arka Mangala at his field during Rabi season 2018 to 2019. He realized a very good pod yield of 3 tons from 1/4 acre in yard-long bean and could sell the produce at rupees 45 per kg in the nearby market. He was very happy with the performance of yard-long bean, Arka Mangala, in terms of better pod length, crispiness, green pod, yield, and net returns. He earned a net profit of rupees 97,500 from 1/4 acre for 4 months crop duration and was very satisfied. Mr. Dayanand Nayak of Karkala Taluk of Udupi district planted yard-long bean variety Arka Mangala in 5 cent area and recorded almost 200 kg of yield and got an income of rupees 12,000 within 3 months. A field day on Arka Mangala was organized at Shirlalu village and the growers were given information of cultivation of Arka Mangala. Onion. Mr. Kempa Reddy, farmer of Timasandra village, Chintamani Taluk of Chikbalapur district, raised 1 acre of onion, Arka Bheem, and used Arka Vegetable Special, Arka Microbial Consortium, and neem soap at his field during Rabi season 2018 to 2019. The farmer realized a very good bulb yield of 12.5 tons per acre. He earned a net profit of rupees 1,11,150 in 4 months and was very satisfied. Mr. Mallikarjun Baswantrao Mali Patil, a marginal farmer of Rajgira village, Bhidar Taluk of Bhidar district, raised 1 acre of onion, Arka Kalyan, at his field during Rabi season 2018. To improve the yield of onion, the recommended dosage of Arka Microbial Consortium at 5 kg per acre with FYM, foliar application of Arka Vegetable Special at 5 grams per liter for 4 times, and spray of neem soap for sucking pest management at early stages were applied.
ಈ ಭೂ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಯೋಜನೆಯಿಂದ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಹೊಸ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಗಳಾಗ್ಯಾವ, ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ಯಾರ. ನಾನು 1 kg ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಸಸಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಟಿ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬೆಳೆಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದದ. ಒಂದು 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಒಂದು 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಯಿತು. 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 2,50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿತಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ.
China aster. ICAR IIHR identified a China aster, Arka Kamini, for high yield. Sri Shivananda, a farmer of Yudaguru village of Gauri Bidanur Taluk of Chikbalapur district, raised half acre of China aster, Arka Kamini, at his field during Kharif season 2019 to 2020. He has followed standard package of practices recommended by ICAR IIHR. The farmer realized very good flower yield of 1 ton from half acre. He earned a net profit of rupees 30,000 from half acre in 3 months crop duration and was very satisfied. A field day of China aster was organized at his field, which was attended by almost 50 farmers. The farmers of the village and nearby villages articulated their interest for taking up cultivation of Arka Kamini. Tuberose. ICAR IIHR identified Arka Prajwal, variety of tuberose, for high yield and shelf life. Sri Shivananda, progressive farmer of Yiraguru village of Gauri Bidanuru Taluk of Chikbalapur district, raised half acre of tuberose, Arka Prajwal, at his field during Kharif season 2019 to 2020. He raised the crop under the guidance of scientists of ICAR IIHR, Bengaluru. The farmer is able to harvest 6 to 8 kg flower daily and so far realized a very good flower yield of 300 kg from half acre in the last 3 months and could sell the produce at average rate of rupees 80 per kg in the nearby market. He is expecting a yield of 10 kg per day which may continue for the next 2 years. The farmer spent a total amount of rupees 14,000 on labor and all other inputs excluding the bulbs, and so far he got total income of rupees 24,000 from half acre in the last 3 months, which may increase to rupees 24,000 per month after few months and continue for 1.5 to 2 years. Several other farmers of nearby villages started cultivation of Arka Prajwal. A field day of tuberose was organized at Sri Chandrasekhar Reddy's field, which was attended by almost 50 farmers. Mr. Babura Vajjappa Biradar, a small farmer of Chinkera village of Humnabad Taluk of Bidar district, planted 100 kg of Arka Prajwal seed bulbs in the month of July 2019. The farmer is getting good flower yield of 4 kg per 10 guntas per day in tuberose and could sell the produce at rupees 60 per kg in the nearby market. He is earning a net profit of rupees 6,500 per month since 4 months crop duration and is very satisfied. The farmer expressed happiness that he has got 1 kilogram as additional yield and rupees 80 as additional profit compared to the local variety. He also opined that Arka Prajwal can enable easy harvest and more flowering weight, which are very much preferred by growers and fetches higher price. Tuberose is a new crop for Udupi district, but some farmers have taken innovative steps to take up its cultivation. Mr. Upendra Nayak of village Shirlalu of Karkala Taluk of Udupi district taken up the cultivation of tuberose variety Arka Prajwal.
ಸುಗಂಧರಾಜ ಗಿಡವನ್ನು KVK ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 3 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೂ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಮಾರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂದಾಜು ಉಂಟು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳುವರಿ ತೆಗೆಯಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ.
His initial experience is encouraging. Vegetable special. Udupi Mattu Gulla Brinjal, Geographical indication of Mattu village of Udupi is sought after its unique taste. Nearly 200 farmers grow this brinjal in about 250 acres in Mattu and its surrounding hamlets. Mr. Mattu Lakshman, a farmer cum manager of Mattu Gulla Growers Society, Katapadi, Mattu village, Udupi Taluk of Udupi district, raised 1 acre of Udupi Mattu Gulla brinjal in his field during Rabi season 2018 to 2019. He applied Arka vegetable special at 5 grams per litre of water, neem and pongamia soap to enhance yield. He realized a very good fruit yield of 14 tons per acre and could sell the produce at rupees 3,000 per 50 kg in the nearby market. He got additional profit of rupees 1,40,000 as compared to without vegetable special. He has also motivated other farmer members of Mattu Gulla Growers Society to use these products.
ನಮ್ಮ ಈ IAHR ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಅರ್ಕ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ನೀಮ್ ಸೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಭೂ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಯೋಜನೆ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಯಿಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಕ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಟ್ಟುಗಳ ಬೆಳೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಕಾಯಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಲ ದೊರಕಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೀಮ್ ಸೋಪನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕೀಟವನ್ನು ಈ ಮೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬಾಧೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಹತೋಟಿಗೆ ಬರಲು ಇದು ಕಾರಣವಾಗಿದೆ.
Mr. Shivaraj, son of Siddappa, small farmer of Rajgira village, Bidar Taluk of Bidar district, raised 1/4 acre of brinjal in 2019. To improve the yield of brinjal, the recommended dosage of foliar application of Arka vegetable special at 5 gram per litre was applied for 4 times. The farmer realized very good fruit yield of 22.8 tons per acre in brinjal and could sell the produce at rupees 12 per kg in the nearby market. He got 1.5 kilogram of additional yield per plant and rupees 24,168 as additional profit. Now he is using Arka vegetable special regularly for all the vegetable crops like tomato, okra and watermelon.
ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆವು. ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ತಿಂಗಳ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಇಳುವರಿ ಚೆಂದ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಮತ್ತು 10-15 ಪಟ್ಟು ಇಳುವರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತು ನಮ್ಗೆ.
Mushroom. Several rural youths were trained for mushroom production at ICAR IIHR. Mrs. Sushila, a woman farmer from Badagrama Uchila, Udupi district, has undergone 2 days hands-on training program on mushroom cultivation at IIHR Bengaluru. After the training, she started producing good quality mushrooms in large scale. She has earned a net profit of rupees 14,500 by selling nearly 3,500 bags. Apart from this, Mrs. Sushila, with 6 other women farmers, started large-scale production unit along with fully equipped machineries. She is marketing their mushroom with brand name Bhagavati. She also shares her knowledge with fellow farmers and motivates them to start entrepreneurship in mushroom cultivation.
ನಾನು ಕಳೆದ ಒಂದು 3-4 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆಯೇ ನಾನು ಈ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಕಲ್ಟಿವೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕಂತ ಅನಿಸಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು IIHR ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನವರು. ಈ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸಹ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಣ್ಣ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಸುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ IIHRಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಸದೃಢವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಶ್ರೀ ಭಗವತಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಶ್ರೂಮನ್ನು ಹಾಕುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
Mushroom training at IIHR has changed the social and economic status of Mrs. Sushila and also her team. The ICRISAT IIHR Bhu Samruddhi project was able to introduce some of the new varieties and technological products of IIHR in the fields of selected farmers of Chikbalapur, Udupi, Bidar and Dharwad districts. These technologies were found profitable and increasing the income and livelihood of farmers.